In this video, I'm going to show you 3 best candlestick pattern for Bitcoin pump. So this is the candlestick pattern that I use in my day-to-day trading, and I'm going to show you that on this very chart, how to identify it and how you can use it right now in your trading strategy. So definitely watch this video to the very end. Please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and the trading strategy. 3 best candlestick pattern for Bitcoin pump. So candlestick number 1, engulfing candles. So it can be either bullish engulfing candle at support for an uptrend or bearish engulfing candles at resistance in the downtrend. So if you look at this very trade on Bitcoin, if you look at this very Bitcoin chart, it is discovered that the market from this very area of support, market moved to the upside after the formation of this very bullish engulfing candle. So we see that this very candle right here completely engulfs this other bearish candle. So this make this a bearish engulfing pattern. So this candle completely engulfs everything about the previous bearish candle. So this is a bullish engulfing pattern, and after this very formation, markets begin to move straight to the upside for this very pump. So this candlestick helps you identify a pump that is going to happen in the market even before it happened. Because if you look at this very candle, market stay here for a little while, and then we see this breakout and market move up again into this very level of resistance. So pay attention to bullish engulfing candle at support level. In an uptrend, market is going to move to the upside. So that is for bullish engulfing candle. The next one is bearish engulfing candles in a downtrend. If you look at this market right here, market move upward, come back down, move again to the upside, and then begin to move to the downside at this very area. If you pay attention to this very candle in a downtrend at this very point, this is a complete bearish engulfing candle. If you look at it very well, see this candle completely engulf the previous bullish candle. So from this very area of resistance, market begin to move to the downside immediately after the formation of this candle, and that does not really stop. Market retrace a little bit and continue this very movement to the downside. So bearish engulfing candle at resistance, as you can see right here, in a downtrend, because market move a little bit and then move upward, fair swing, and begin to move to the downside. This will make you enter a nice trade in the market on BTC and any other crypto. Okay, so right here, pay attention to bearish engulfing candle at resistance in a downtrend. You will ride massive move in the market to the downside for a short position. The second candlestick pattern that you need to pay attention to on your chart is the hammer and shooting star. Hammer in an uptrend at support level, while shooting star in a downtrend at resistance. If you look at this very market was moving upward in an uptrend. Okay, so we see market retrace a little bit and then begin to move to the upside. But before the market move to the upside, we see a very nice hammer right at this very point. So market drop down for retracement, and then we see a hammer formation at this very point, and then afterward market begin to move upward after that hammer formation. So a hammer is a very important candlestick you need to pay attention to at support in an uptrend for the market to move to the upside. So this very candle right here is a hammer. Okay, so the hammer you need to pay attention to, the wick must be 2 times the body, as you can see at this very area. Okay, this is the kind of hammer that you need to pay attention to on your chart at support level. In an uptrend, the market is going to move drastically upward. This will also help you identify a potential move that will happen in the market before it actually happened. If you look at this level of resistance, we see a shooting star. So market was moving all the way upward and then come to this very area and form a shooting star. A shooting star is an inverse of a hammer at support level. So this is a shooting star formation, and after this formation, market begin to move downward. This will also help you identify a potential downward movement, a potential downward trend before it actually happens, giving you a nice opportunity to short the market at this very area. Now, one more thing you need to do about shooting star and hammer is that you need to wait for a confirmation candle. So at this very point, we see a confirmation candle, which must be a bearish candle. After this bearish formation, the market move downward. And if you look at this very area, market move with this very hammer formation. Then after this hammer formation, we see this bearish candle, market begin to move upward. So for hammer and shooting star, you need to see and wait for a confirmation candle. In the case of a hammer, you must see a bullish candle before the market is going to move to the upside. And also for shooting star, you wait for a bearish candle for the market to move to the downside. So this candlestick pattern is very, very important, and pay attention to it for you to ride massive trend in the market. The last candlestick pattern you need to pay attention to is closing price reversal candles. So closing price reversal candles can be a bullish closing price reversal candle or a bearish closing price reversal candle. So right here on the chart, before this very move we are seeing right now on Bitcoin move to the upside, we see a bullish closing price reversal candle at this very point. Now, how can you identify this candle? We see a bearish candle formation a little bit to the downside that forms a low lower than the next bullish candle, but the next bullish candle must form a close that is higher than the previous bearish candle at this very point. So these two candlestick pattern forms a bullish closing price reversal candle. So after this formation, market begin to move upward. That is why we see this massive move on Bitcoin right now to the upside. So pay attention to this very candlestick on your chart. It will make you ride massive trend on the Bitcoin and any other crypto asset, and it also help you identify a potential bullish move that is going to happen on your chart, and also for a bearish move. So the next one is bearish closing price reversal candle pattern. If you look at this very pattern right here, this is a complete bearish closing price reversal candle. Market move upward and then fail to create a significant high with this very move. Look at it here. Market move from here and then come back down a little bit, fail, and then come back down, and then was not moving aggressively anymore. Market begin to come back to the downside. So before this market come back to the downside, we see a bearish closing price reversal candle at this very point, which is very important. If you look at this candle have a high higher than the next bearish candle at this very point, and this bearish candle close lower than the previous bullish candle at this very area. So we see this close at this very point and have a low also at this very area. So this form a bearish closing price reversal candle pattern. So anytime you see this very formation on your chart, it is called a bearish closing price reversal candle. And what that means is that at a resistance in a downtrend, market is going to move to the downside. This is very important. So this will make you leave a long or buy position, okay? Because this signifies that the market is going to come back to the downside. This is very, very important. And this is what you must have to pay attention to. And in this very video, lastly, I am expecting the market to move drastically upward because of this very formation from this level of support. Market should continue into the 60k level and the 65k level at this very point. This is where I am expecting the market to ride to right now. And after we break the 60 and 65k level at this very point, if we can break it, the market is going to ride into the 100k level for Bitcoin. This can come with a little retracement before the next move, but what you need to pay attention to right now on the immediate short term is for this market to move into the $60,000 and $65,000 before retracement will happen to the downside, and then continuation again back into 100K level for Bitcoin. So this is very important right here on the chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, technical analysis, and day trading strategy. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, check the description of this video and you see a registration link and do a registration right away. There will be a very intensive crypto bootcamp that is coming up this very Sunday. Check the description, you see the WhatsApp group, and join right away. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.